Meaning of draughtsperson.
Draftsperson.
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 Draftsperson. A draftsperson is someone who creates technical drawings and plans using computer-aided design, CAD, software or traditional drafting tools. They are responsible for transforming a designer's or engineer's vision into precise and accurate drawings that can be easily understood by contractors, manufacturers, and other professionals involved in a project. Draftspersons typically work in industries such as architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and construction. Their work is critical to ensuring that projects are completed safely, efficiently, and according to the specifications of the original design.